वो ठंडू से आज पाछू. So hello everyone. Hello. So welcome to the event. Welcome to the Surat Startup Fortnight Meetup. This is the third Fortnight Meetup which we are doing. Okay. So the Fortnight Meetup concept is formed in such a way that every 15 days we do an event. Okay. The topic is different every time. The speaker is different every time, but the agenda goes through a similar format which we have prepared. Okay. So today the topic is for the day is startup first steps. So every time before we start, we go through this image or this slide. Okay. So आप पढ़ सकते हो, यहाँ पे लिखा है I am feeling lucky. ठीक है, सुपर है वो Google जब आप सर्च करते हो साइड में आता है वो I am feeling lucky वाला. ठीक है. So मैं सबको पूछता हूँ जब भी इवेंट स्टार्ट होती है कि भाई कितने लोग ऐसा फील करते हैं कि I am feeling lucky ऐसा. So हाँ बेसिक जो रेगुलर वाले हैं ना वो थोड़ा ऐसे खुद के हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. ठीक है. The question is are you feeling lucky? So if you are, you raise your hand. Okay, cool. मतलब वो मैम है वो लकी फील नहीं कर रहे और 2-3 लोगों को देखा वो कैमरामैन भी लकी फील नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है. तो अभी हम लकी फील करवाते हैं. ठीक है. लास्ट टाइम अभी 2 इवेंट्स हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम सिर्फ लोगों को पूछते हैं और उनको कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है. So I would like everyone to take out their phones, cell phones. अभी शायद ये कुछ लोगों के लिए ये एक्टिविटी शायद काम ना आए शायद आए, बट हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हम लकी हैं. ठीक है. सो उसमें सबके पास पोकेमॉन गो एप्लीकेशन है? नहीं है. जिसके पास है वो खोलो. चलो ठीक है. कितने लकी है ट्राई कर रहे हैं कितने लकी है. ठीक है. तो पोकेमॉन गो का कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा है ना कि व्हेन वी आर गैदर्ड समवेयर सो आपके चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं पोकेमॉन पकड़ने के. ठीक है. सो अभी जिसको इसको खोलना है करके ट्राई कर लो. जिसका पोकेमॉन जिसके हाथ में आता है वो लकी है. ठीक है. ये बहुत फनी था बट दिस इज हाउ वी स्टार्ट एवरी टाइम. सो दिस इज द एजेंडा ऑफ द डे. So this is the agenda of the day. We go through the agenda. So we start with the introduction. We want you everyone to speak out your names, what you do, and what are your. If you have a startup, you speak about your startup as well. Then the topic of the day startup first steps. Then we have the Q&A कि आप speaker को जो पूछना है पूछ सकते हो. Then we have startup news. Startup news we cover the news across the country, across the state, across the city. सब news cover कर लेते हैं हम लोग इसमें. Startup showcasing मतलब there will be a startup who will be showcasing their idea in front of the entire audience. Okay. फिर community announcement उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है. हम हमारी community क्या कर रही है, क्या उसके future plans है, क्या नहीं है वो हम इसमें करते हैं. और group photo में last में कैमरामैन वालों को हम लोग publicity देते हैं free की कि भाई आओ photo खींचो आपका logo नीचे रखो. ठीक है. So let's start. We start with the introduction. So introduction में my name is Anand and I am the team leader at Appjex. I am also the head coordinator at Surat Startups. Okay. So everybody knows about Surat Startups. ठीक है. सबको पता है. ठीक है. तो मैं introduce नहीं कर रहा. तो start from you.
My name is Karan Chandwani. I am a Palestine member.
My name is Himanshu Singhal. I am having a process of. My name is Sujitra.
Myself, Rishud, and I am studying CA.
My name is Ankit Jain and I am pursuing CA, and right now I am in BCom second year, and my startup name is Admo. It is about the advertisement, creating a platform application exclusively for advertisement purpose.
My name is Sam Chal. I am enrolled in Children Business.
Hey, I am Nachiket Patel. I am co-owner of a company called Jumpbite and we do Mobile.
My name is Dhaval and me and Nachiket own Jumpbite. We are like an app development studio building mobile and color.
Hey guys, I'm Dinesh. I run a company here. We build startups. We call our company Startup as a Service. If you have an idea, we help you.
मेरा नाम राजा है. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ.
Hi everyone, my name is Dushyant. We have co-founded a company called Rebel Consulting Services. Me and my brother are partners in this. And we basically work in the efficiency rating of an organization. We work in lean management consultants.
Hi everybody. This is Amit Mehta. I run a company called Easy5 and we create a network where you get business out of it. So it's a simple concept based on requirement need of a person, which is Wi-Fi. So how a Wi-Fi can actually generate business for you, that is what we do.
Hi everybody, Krishna here, doing portfolio business.
My name is Akshay Mehta. Currently doing diploma in computer.
Hello everyone, I am a chartered accountant.
myself Nipun Parit. Right now I'm working on my startup. It's called Remote Waves. It's an online portal where people can get instant support, technical support for their computers. It's currently a work in progress and I expect it to present in the next month.
Myself Bonnie, I am web developer.
Myself Nirav Patel, web developer.
Hi guys, I'm Dhumil. I'm a chartered and I'm currently associated with the chartered firm in Mumbai.
Good evening everyone, I'm Gunjan Mehta. I'm currently working on 2 to 3 ideas.
I am Riyaz Adani. I am pursuing international business. My startup name is I am an online trader and I want to jump in import export business.
Hello friends, I am Tejas Soda. I am doing BCom here.
Hello, my name is Shantanu Mishra and I am in 4th year mechanical engineering.
Hello, my name is Sahil Changlani और मैं CA स्टूडेंट और OnKit के साथ काम करता हूँ एडमक.
Myself Sagar Kothia and I am structure designer.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Patel. I am also a structure designer.
Hello everyone, my name is Jashmi Pakodia. I am a blend.
Hello, I am Zalat. I am student of BCom. I don't have any idea for startup, but I'm still working.
Also, you are not feeling lucky.
Myself Dalip Kavaya. I am pursuing civil engineering and I am a part of the photography.
Myself Deep Patel and I am pursuing civil engineering and we are part of the photography.
Great, great. So we are done with the introduction part. So now I would start the topic of the day. So you can read it out. Start taking your steps. So I would like to introduce our speaker, Mr. Nachiket sir, to please come and.
Hello guys, such a wonderful audience we have today. Mix of students, entrepreneurs, startup buddies. That's great. So first of all, I would like to talk about something else. Like she said, she doesn't have any idea to work on. So just wanted to comment two things. You just have to look around. Basically, you are looking for problems which you are finding. You can solve them, and that's how you come up with ideas. Try to solve a problem rather than coming with a eureka moment कि हाँ ये idea अच्छा है इसको करते हैं. See whether it solves a real need or real problem or not. It should be problem driven. So let me know if you think you cannot find an idea around you. You should be able to find a lot of idea around you. So today I am going to talk about what you should do once you have your idea. A lot of people have an idea and then that's when the problem starts. So we start very idea now what should I do? I should go business चालू करूँ, company register करवाऊँ, product बनाऊँ. So I am going to talk about a very methodological approach which everybody can, almost all startups can take or the idea can take, and that way the first what a startup should do. They should eliminate chance of failure, or they should find out as early as possible whether their idea is going to solve a real problem or not. Because see, after all, your idea will become a startup when people wants to pay for your idea, right? It's not going to work on its own. So when people will pay for an idea, when you solve a real problem. If you think you are solving your problem, it's not what will be. You will be able to sell to others. You need to solve others' problem, not your own. So figuring out whether you can solve the problem you are taking up is actually a widespread problem or not. That is what it should all be all about. And I promise you guys by end of this session, you'll have crystal clear clarity on what you should do next. If you have an idea what you should do next, if you have a startup, what you should do next tomorrow, that will have that clarity. That is my directive if you give enough attention of course. Yep. So and that's how we are going to take this lecture. First thing is conventional versus startup approach. So we'll look at how conventional business starts and how that will be affected, and what a startup should do compared to niche and its importance. We'll go through each and every step of that approach, and we'll end with Q&A. This is the fact. So out of all the startups, 90% of them fails. And then out of the remaining 10, 50% of startup never makes a profit. So the last 5% है उसमें आना है. Whoever has an idea needs to make sure that they are going towards that. How we can avoid this early? That is what. Okay. So there is a term called entrepreneur. So a lot of people know it. That is basically people who wants to start a business. They are starting it for the first time. Called entrepreneur. It's very popular on the internet. What does it mean is ideally though these are the people who don't understand how a business works, a startup works. But that's a good place to start actually, because these are the people who make big. Usually what you do when you get the idea, like I would like to get some participants and talk about it. Anybody wants to share what they should do once they get an idea? Who had a startup? You had a startup. What did you do first, like after idea?
Sir, we have just an idea and now we are going forward. So I would think that first we build a team and then work upon it. And then, yes.
The first thing you would do is build a team.
Yes.
Who else?
I would like to say that if I have an idea, then I would search in the market. I would see who would be my customers. Because without my customers, I will not be able to sell it.
You do the research.
Market research is important.
And somebody wants to share. Yep. So starting the product is not the first thing you should do. And this is, you can say, a conventional business. First step would be building, then they would be launching their product or service. Then they do the marketing, and which is an ongoing process. The months is just it's a random time. Like it takes a build to let's say 9 months. The launching requires 2 weeks, and they keep. Then they would start marketing and training, the customers and training the team and how they market, use the product. And then after some time, they upgrade the product to next. This is very conventional way of doing launching a product. And it worked for a lot of business because usually the business had very less amount of uncertainty. It was very regular products, right? Let's say you start building up bottles, then everything was set. कहाँ पे बेचना है, कहाँ से लेना है, कहाँ पे जाना है. So this was working. But with startups, what is the situation? Every startup needs to have an innovation part in it. It should solve a problem which not others have taken up. It's just not another bottle company in the market. It's going to be something new, something revolutionary. So you cannot take that typical approach कि पहले बनाते हैं फिर बेचते हैं फिर market करेंगे. This doesn't work in startups. So that's why a lot of after so many years there has been some set standards which is followed by almost followed by many startups. People study and it has been proven to work. We are going to take a look at that method. So this is the, I would say, approach a startup can take. It's not holy grail or this is the only way. It's just a suggested way to do it. It's complicated. Why I am putting it up front is we'll go through the whole step. So it's all the steps: research, validation, MVP, launch, PMF is product market fit, scale, build, marketing and customers. So we'll revisit this slide time to time. So whenever we'll be going through each and every step. Okay. So what I would like to do is I'll also have a case study as we go by each step. So we can relate it to better. That would help you guys as well to understand, and we can discuss upon that as well. And at the end, also I would like to take up one or two startup and take it as a case study if anybody wants to share, and try to apply this methodology to that startup. How it could have been done, or how it should do, or just collaboratively we can come up with some sort of plan. So yeah, so the case study we'll take is cold pressed juice. So this is something I had a chance to try some juice and it was excellent. I thought, what is so different about it? Then I realized that it is cold pressed. Then I looked up what is cold press. So it is basically a juice which you don't you crush it, press it, and you make a pulp out of it, and it is so hard that it becomes juice. That's how it is put, and it keeps its nutrition values. It is more tasty. It's there are a lot of varieties available, and usually people who are believing in nutrition, they use they prefer this juice, right? So it is very popular in US, Europe, and now in major cities. So let's say we take this as a case study. So I am thinking that, or maybe Dhaval is thinking that let's start a cold press company in Surat. He has the idea now. I want to sell cold press juice as a subscription. That's the case study. Before we start, I would like to explain what niche is and what is important. So, niche is basically